last night. The patient, identified as Michael Audrey Myers, was being transferred from the Ridgecross Federal Sanitarium back to Smith Grove, where he was incarcerated 25 years ago after murdering his sister on Halloween night. 10 years ago, Myers escaped from the Smith Grove and committed a series of murders in and around the town of Haddonfield before being apprehended by the authorities. Local residents are advised to stay inside, keeping all doors and windows locked until further notice. This has been a special news bulletin.